Welcome to the online 2-point driving classes channel. Today we are breaking down Ohio window tint laws, what is legal, what gets you stopped, and how to protect your driving record. How does Ohio measure legal window tint? Ohio measures window tint using visible light transmittance, often called VLT. This refers to the percentage of light that passes through your window and the tint film combined. The lower the percentage, the darker the window. What is the legal tint limit for front-side windows in Ohio? In Ohio, front-side windows must allow at least 50% of light to pass through. If your front windows are darker than that, you are at risk of being pulled over. Are the rear side windows and rear window held to the same standard? Rear side windows and the rear window do not have the same 50% requirement. However, if the rear window is tinted, your vehicle must have properly functioning side mirrors on both sides. What are the windshield tint rules in Ohio? Ohio allows non-reflective tint on the top portion of the windshield, often called a sun visor strip. The strip cannot extend more than 5 inches from the top of the windshield. Tinting the entire windshield is illegal. Is reflective or mirrored tint allowed in Ohio? Ohio clearly prohibits highly reflective or mirrored tint. Reflective materials can create glare and safety hazards, and they are a common reason drivers get stopped. What is the tint label requirement many drivers miss? For vehicles from 1990 and newer, Ohio requires a certification label between the film and the glass. This label confirms the tint complies with state law. Missing labels can result in a citation, even if the tint appears legal. What are the most common tint issues that lead to a traffic stop? The most common issues include front windows that appear too dark, windshield tint that extends too far down, reflective film, missing certification labels, and a dark rear window without proper side mirrors. How do officers check window tint in Ohio? Officers use a device called a VLT meter to measure how much light passes through the glass and tint combined. The reading determines whether your vehicle meets the 50% requirement for front side windows. Does a window tint violation add license points in Ohio? A window tint violation is typically considered a minor misdemeanor and does not automatically add points to your license. However, repeated violations or related moving offenses can still affect your driving record. If you do accumulate points from other tickets, Ohio allows credit points in certain situations through an approved course. Why is it important to fix illegal tint quickly? Even if no points are added, fines, court costs, and repeat stops can become expensive and stressful. Correcting illegal tint quickly helps you avoid additional citations and keeps your vehicle compliant. If you already have points on your Ohio driving record, our state-approved course can help you earn a 2-point credit. It is convenient, affordable, and designed to help you better understand Ohio traffic laws. Take control of your driving record and stay informed about Ohio traffic laws. Enroll in online 2-point driving classes today and drive with confidence.